Welcome to Middle School Math Course 1, Unit 9, Algebra Foundations. Topic 1, Patterns and Variables. What is a pattern? A pattern is a sequence that follows a rule. For instance, the rule is circle, square, circle, square. And we can almost guess that the next one is a circle. So a pattern is a rule that helps us predict what comes next. Look at the pattern below. There's 3 tiles, 2 orange, 1 blue. Now we have 5 tiles, but 4 orange, 1 blue. Now we have, in the third figure, 7 tiles, 6 orange, 1 blue. So each time we added 2 more tiles that were orange. So the constant is the blue block because it stayed the same. Every figure has 1 blue block. So we count the pattern. Figure 1, 2 orange blocks, 3 tiles. Figure 2, 4 orange blocks, 5 tiles. Figure 3, 6 orange blocks, 7 tiles. So the growth, each new figure adds 1 orange block up and 1 orange block to the right. That means 2 orange blocks are added each time. The rule is the total tiles equals 2n plus 1. N is the figure's number. 2n is the growing orange blocks. Plus 1 means the blue block that never changes. So look for the constant, find the growth, write the rule, and understand that patterns are everywhere. Basic algebra terms. Understanding the parts of an algebraic expression. For example, 2n plus 1. 2 is the coefficient, n is the variable, and 1 is the constant. So coefficient. A coefficient is the number that is multiplied by a variable. It tells us how many of the variable there are. In this expression, we see 2n plus 1. Therefore, the coefficient is 2. Variable. A variable is a letter that represents an unknown number or value. It can change. In this expression, we see 2n plus 1. The variable is n. Constant. A constant is a number that stands alone. It does not have a variable attached to it. In the expression 2n plus 1, we see the constant is 1. In summary, 2 is the coefficient of n. N is the variable, and 1 is the constant. Let's solve the expression 2n plus 1. First, we must substitute the value for n, then simplify. N, in this case, for number 1, will be 1. So 2n plus 1 means 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 gives us 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now let's go to number 2. We will substitute number 2 for the variable n in number 2. 2n plus 1. 2 times 2 plus 1. 2 times 2 gives us 4. Plus 1 equals 5. Now we're substituting 3 for the variable n in number 3. 2n plus 1 means 2 times 3 plus 1. 2 times 3 gives us 6 plus 1, which is 7. Now let's substitute the number 4 for the variable n in the number 4 problem. 2n plus 1. 2 times 4 plus 1. So 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 equals 9. Remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally says that we must do multiplication, right? And parentheses before we do anything else. Just a reminder. So multiply n by 2, then add the 1 or whatever we have as the plus. Now let's solve this problem, 2n plus 1. But at this point, we're going to make n number 8. So in this one, n equals 8. So 2n plus 1 equals what? That means 2 times 8 plus 1. 2 times 8 equals 16 plus 1. So 16 plus 1 equals 17. Excellent job. Now we will substitute two variables. N will be 2 and K will be 4. So now we're going to write 2 times 2 plus 2 minus 3 times 4. Let's break that down. Let's do our parentheses first. 2 times 2 is 4. Bring the 2 down, so plus 2 minus 3 times 4. What is 3 times 4? 12. So minus 12. Now we have a new problem. 4 plus 2 minus 12. We need to break this down even further. So 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 12. Now we have negative 6. Excellent job. So the answer is negative 6. Evaluating expressions. Evaluating an expression means finding its value when the variable is replaced by a given number. Example 1. Evaluate the expression 3x plus 5. We will replace x with 4. That is our given value of x. Let's go. Here are the steps. Write the expression 3x plus 5. Substitute the given variable number 4 for x. So now we have 3 times 4 plus 5. Do your multiplication first. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses first. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 5. So find the value now. So 12 plus 5 equals 17. Excellent job. And again, always substitute first. Then simplify using the correct order of operations, PEMDAS or BODMAS. But we say PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Excellent job. You rock, creative learning adventurers. Wonderful job. We will see you next time.